You feel sick, you go to the doctor, but you don't know what to say.
Your head hurts. Your stomach hurts. How do you explain this in English?
Today, we will teach you 100 sentences for the doctor in English.
Listen, repeat. Feel confident at any clinic or hospital.
Hello everyone, I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to English Cast Duo.
Today is a very important lesson. We will practice 100 English sentences for the doctor.
These sentences are for making an appointment, talking to the doctor, and getting medicine.
All sentences are slow and clear. They are for A1 and A2 level.
How to use this video. Listen to each sentence. Then repeat it out loud. Say it with us.
This is called shadowing practice. It will help you speak English when you are at the doctor.
Being sick is hard. Not knowing the words makes it harder. Let's fix that today.
Are you ready? Let's start. Part 1. Making an appointment.
These sentences are for when you call or visit the clinic to book a time with the doctor.
Listen and repeat after each sentence. Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
I need to see a doctor today.
Is there an appointment available this week?
I am a new patient.
I have been a patient here before.
I need an urgent appointment, please.
Can I see a female doctor?
What time is the first appointment?
Can I come in the morning?
I cannot come in the afternoon. Is morning okay?
Can I book for tomorrow?
My name is Alex. Can you spell that back?
My phone number is...
Can you remind me the day before?
I need to cancel my appointment.
I need to change my appointment, please.
Is there a late fee if I cancel?
Can I see the same doctor as last time?
What documents do I need to bring?
Thank you. See you then.
Great start. Let's continue.
Part 2 at the reception.
These sentences are for when you arrive at the clinic and speak to the person at the front desk.
Listen and repeat. Hello. I have an appointment.
My name is Mia.
My appointment is at 10 o'clock.
I am a little late. I am sorry.
I arrived early. Can I wait here?
Where do I sit?
Do I need to fill in a form?
I do not understand this form. Can you help me?
Here is my ID card.
Here is my insurance card.
I do not have insurance. Can I still see the doctor?
How much does the visit cost?
Can I pay by card?
Do I pay now or after?
How long is the wait?
Can I get a number?
Is the doctor ready for me?
Can I bring someone with me?
I have a child with me. Is that okay?
Thank you. I will wait here.
You're doing very well. Let's stop here for a moment.
Let's learn 4 important words for the doctor.
Listen, repeat, and remember.
Word 1. Symptom.
Symptom. Symptom. A symptom is a sign that something is wrong with your body. For example, a headache is a symptom.
Symptom.
Word 2. Prescription.
Prescription. Prescription. A prescription is a paper from the doctor that tells you which medicine to buy.
Prescription.
Word 3. Appointment.
Appointment. Appointment. An appointment is a time you plan to meet the doctor.
Appointment.
Word 4. Allergic.
Allergic. Allergic. If you are allergic to something, it makes your body react badly. For example, some people are allergic to cats.
Allergic.
Good. Now, let's continue with more sentences.
Part 3. Describing your symptoms.
These are the most important sentences in this lesson. They help you tell the doctor how you feel.
Listen and repeat. I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
My throat hurts.
I have a fever.
I feel very tired.
I cannot sleep at night.
I have a cough.
I have a runny nose.
My stomach hurts.
I feel dizzy.
I feel sick after eating.
I have pain here.
The pain is very strong.
The pain comes and goes.
I have had this pain for 3 days.
I feel worse in the morning.
I cannot eat. I have no appetite.
I have a rash on my arm.
My eye is red and sore.
I think I have a cold.
Very good. Let's keep going.
Part 4. Talking to the doctor.
These sentences are for when the doctor asks you questions or you need more information.
Listen and repeat. Can you explain that again, please?
I don't understand. Can you speak more slowly?
What do you think is wrong?
Is it serious?
Do I need a blood test?
Do I need an X-ray?
I am allergic to penicillin.
I am taking this medicine already.
Can I take this medicine with food?
How many times a day do I take this?
For how many days do I take this medicine?
What should I eat?
What should I avoid eating?
Can I go to work?
I need a sick note for my job.
When should I come back?
What happens if I don't get better?
Should I go to the hospital?
Can I call you if I have more questions?
Thank you, doctor. I understand now.
Almost there. One last section.
Part 5. At the pharmacy.
After the doctor, you go to the pharmacy to get your medicine. These sentences will help you.
Listen and repeat. Hello. I have a prescription.
The doctor gave me this.
Do you have this medicine?
How much does this cost?
Do you have a cheaper option?
Is this the same medicine but a different brand?
How do I take this?
Do I take this before or after eating?
Can my child take this medicine?
Is there a liquid version for children?
Can I take this with my other medicine?
Will this make me sleepy?
Can I drive after taking this?
Where do I store this medicine?
What is the expiry date?
Can I buy this without a prescription?
I just need something for a headache.
Do you have vitamins here?
Can I have a receipt, please?
Thank you so much. I feel better already.
You finished all 100 sentences. That is incredible.
Before our final practice, we have one message for you.
Going to the doctor in a new language is scary.
but your health is the most important thing.
Learn these sentences. Practice them.
Remember this.
Speak up for your health. Your words can save your life.
Speak up for your health. Your words can save your life.
You have the words now. Use them.
We are proud of you. Now it is time for shadowing practice.
I will say a sentence. Then Mia will say it again. And you say it with loud. Say it with confidence.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello. I would like to make an appointment.
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
I have a headache and a fever.
I have a headache and a fever.
The pain comes and goes.
The pain comes and goes.
Can you explain that again, please?
Can you explain that again, please?
I am allergic to penicillin.
I am allergic to penicillin.
Thank you, doctor. I understand now.
Thank you, doctor. I understand now. Excellent work. You are ready for any doctor visit.
That is all for today. 100 sentences, 5 situations, all for the doctor.
We have a question for you. Have you ever visited a doctor in another country? How did it feel?
Tell us in the comments below. We would love to hear your story.
If this helped you, please share this video with someone who is learning English.
I'm Alex.
I'm Mia. See you next time.